going to the next spot. Catch you later. A brand new 392 from the dealer, and he's covering his own plates. I like that. Pick them out. And he's out just like that. We got one cop in the back. We got the Infinity going around the 392. Did an excellent job in covering his plates. He barely made it. Fresh out of the dealer, baby. They're feeling it. It's a good amount of people, so I want to see more swingers right now because it's a good amount of people out here. We got the trailers in the back, atorados. We got a Mustang with the underglow. We got la troquita. Hey, Kickback! What's up, bro? What's up? What's up? Mustang let loose finally. Damn! Let me see that. Let me see that. Hey, dude, your whole shit blew up. Like your bumper's gone, everything. Dude, what the fuck you do? Shh, dude. What the hell? What did you do?
Hey, don't get me, bro. Don't get me on recording. I don't know what I did.
You popped your tire, huh? Because you're so low, dude. It was like a bomb, bro.
Hey, fucking shit, bro. Hey, I need it. Hey, nah, don't record, boys.
Hey,
yeah, just go before.
Bro,
just dip.
Hey, destroy that. Just rip that apart,
hey,
bro.
Can someone get a Jenny, bro?
I don't.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Rip that shit off, bro.
Yeah, I'm alright off the street, bro.
Just go slowly.
Where should I go?
Home. Go home. Sheesh. So his car slammed low to the floor, popped the tires, and it was just like a giant explosion. It was just like boom. And the car was peg legging too, so it wasn't even swinging properly. So he pretty much did it for nothing though. But yeah, he's like, where am I supposed to go? I'm like, just go home, bro.
Where else are you gonna go?
Like the cops roll up, you just gotta go home.
Like, what do you expect?
Yeah. Aha! So this is where the shots that come from. I love you guys. We got a Camaro and a 392 going at it. going hella wide. Okay. Oh, they lit. So far, I freaking love this spot, guys. This spot is cracking right now. Mucha loquera está pasando, me encanta. Here we are, 5 spots later, still packed right now. I like it. Oh, jeez.
Hey, what the fuck, bro?
God damn. Hey, this dude left. That was smart. He's like, I'm out. Infinity's on wire right now. We got a Mustang coming in right now. We got somebody with a camo blanket. I called it.
Shit!
I called it. Hey, all I see is some sandals over there. He's camoed out. We got a Mustang coming in. Let's get it. Ay, güey. Está bien corneado el camarada ahorita. I like it. Justin Bieber almost got hit over there. Jeez.